And we're back. I just had to get the servo back out of him really quick. I didn't make a video on it. It's not enough to make a video. I forget how he sits in here. Or I have parts in there to set it like that or something. I forget. But he goes in there. Without ruining the gasket, you put a wire in, like so. There we go. Let's pull it back out. Yeah, that should be good. And servo is on top. And it doesn't, yes it does, channel 1 is at the top one. So I'm guessing channel 2 is throttle, hopefully. And channel 1 is steering, but we can always find out. Grab the remote, grab battery, ouch. Turn that on, put that there. Switch. Oh, no motor. That might help. Heh. Sweet. That was right. Alright, so unplug, turn off. Okay. Now put this stupid gasket back on. Snug. I'll super glue that there later, or hot glue that there later. I suppose I can make this a little bit longer of a video. Here's one of them. Here's the other one of them. Perfect. Alright, so they're gonna have to go on the back. So, is it this one or my smaller one? It's the smaller one. like so. I did that so I can center the servo, so when I put the horn back on, it is straight up and down, and it fits right. And I do remember this being a pain in the ass. I'm just gonna guess right there. And of course, I would be wrong, because that ain't straight. So I need it to go that way. So I go this way, so a little bit more straight up and down. Oh, too far, I think. Okay. I think I can work with that. Let's hold this. And if I have to, I'll just adjust the linkage there. Okay, so calling that good. If I have to play with it later, I'll play with it. Go away. Line up the hole. Put that one in. Line up the other hole. Put this one in. Like that. Okay, there's that. I'm just gonna have to scrape all this off. Yeah, I gotta scrape all that off. Just gonna have to scrape all that off. Put that back down. Super glue that there. Now it's onto the back bulkhead. So this is the end of part 2. I'll start it up, part 3, within 5 seconds of this video. See you guys in the next one. Like 10 seconds from the last one. Got the computer back in. Got the shocks on. I have to take out all of those. And probably these 4 right there. Okay. So then I think it's just these 6. Of course. We're gonna get a different size of one that I don't have for my screwdrivers. Of course, you're the wrench. Alright guys, so I'll take out these 6. I'll be right back. This is the last one. There we go. And I can already feel it's loose. Hopefully I can just like that. Awesome. This is now junk. Take these off. Oh. Take those off and put them in there. Alright, now it's junk. Grab the rear. And actually, before I do anything, I'm going to put the rear shocks on. Because why not do it right now? Come on, come on, come here. I need you. There we are. Like so. Take this, put it like that, grab the nut. Really wish they were metal nuts, they're only plastic. Now, snap that back right there, like so. That was actually fairly easy. Flip it over, put all 6 of these things back in. I'll do that in these 6. I was having troubles with this one and this one, so I just went ahead and put in the top 4 bolts, and then I could get those 2. But as the rebuild of the back, I need to put this in place. It's just gonna be retaped right there. Run these through here, plug them back in, super glue this switch right there, find 4 bolts for here, and probably a metal plate. I'm probably gonna go find a metal plate to put right here to stiffen this joint up, or a bumper if I can find one. Let me know if you guys know of a bumper for the T4.2 Team Associated car. I know there's the RPM ones, but I want something metal just to sit right here, kind of like this guy right here. He's got a whole metal front that goes all the way up into here. He's got all metal front and then a skid plate on top of it. Alright guys, that's that video. Hope you guys liked it. I'm not gonna film the rest, there's not a whole lot to film. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed it. Like, subscribe, follow, whatever. See you guys in the next one.